Hello everyone, welcome back to the Novel Garden. Have you ever made a mistake that stayed in your heart for years? In The Kite Runner, Amir is a boy who does something terrible but spends his whole life trying to fix it. Is he a coward or does he become a true hero? In this video, we will explore Amir's good and bad trait and his powerful journey from guilt to courage. If you are a student, a book lover, or an English learner, this will help you to understand Amir's character in a simple and clear way. So let's begin. Positive aspects of Amir. Number 1. Sensitive and thoughtful. Amir is emotional and deeply thoughtful. He feels things strongly and reflects on his action. Number 2. Love for literature and writing. He loves stories and becomes a writer. This shows his creativity and intelligence. Number 3. Feels guilt and remorse. After betraying Hassan, Amir feels strong guilt. This shows he has a conscience. Number 4. Desire for redemption. As an adult, Amir tries to correct his past mistakes by rescuing Sohrab. This shows growth and courage. Number 5. Brave in the end. He stands up to Asif later in life, something he could not do as a child. Now we discuss bad traits of Amir. Is Amir a hero or a coward? Let's look at the dark side of Amir's character in The Kite Runner. Number 1. Cowardly. Amir is cowardly because he does not defend Hassan when he is attacked. He watches silently while fear controls him. At that moment, Amir chooses safety over friendship. Number 2. Selfish. Amir is selfish. He wants Baba's love and approval so badly that he put his own happiness above Hassan's life and safety. Winning the kite matters more to him than doing the right thing. Number 3. Jealous. Amir feels jealous of Hassan. Baba shows love and kindness to Hassan, and this makes Amir insecure. Even though Hassan is loyal, Amir sees him as a rival. Number 4. Weak moral courage. Amir knows what is right and what is wrong, but when the moment comes to act bravely, he fails. His morals are weak because fear is stronger than his courage. Number 5. Betrayal. Amir's biggest sin is betrayal. He betrays Hassan by staying silent and later frames him for thief to remove him for his life. This shows Amir's guilt and cowardice. Even Amir is not evil, he is human. His story teaches us that fear can destroy goodness, but guilt can lead to courage. Now, it's time to discuss why Amir behaves like this. So now, start it. Desire for Baba's approval. Amir feels his father is disappointed in him. Winning the kite tournament feels like he is only way to earn love. Fear of social and physical power. Asif is strong and violent. Amir is afraid and lacks confidence. Ethnic and social pressure. This is a number 3 point of why Amir behaves like this. Amir is Pushtun and Hassan is Hazara. Society teaches Amir wrongly that Hassan is inferior. Number 4. Immaturity. Amir is a child when he makes his worst decision. He does not yet understand courage or responsibility. Number 5. Inner conflict. Amir knows right from wrong, but fear and selfishness overpower his morals. Overall view of Amir character is Amir is not a perfect hero. He is a realistic and complex character. His journey is about guilt, growth and redemption. Khalid Hosseini shows that people can change, but they must face their past to become better. If you like this video, so please like, share and subscribe my channel, The Novel Garden. Thank you. Bye bye.